Welcome to my Chinedu Hub class. Okay, if in case you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, don't forget to do so. Please, my Chinedu Hub class. Okay, don't forget to subscribe and like. You'll be seeing things for both primary, junior secondary, and senior secondary. And very soon, I'll be doing online classes. Very soon, I will share my link for online class. Okay, where I teach you live and so on like that. Okay, so let's look at this simple wire question as well. This one says solve the inequality and show the solution on a number line. So I'm going to solve this, then we'll show the solution on a number line. Okay, so we have solution. We have 2 all over 5 x minus 2 minus 1 over 6 x plus 5 less than or equal to 0. Good. Okay, so in this case here now, you can see this now. Students and pupils, once they see an equation, a fraction like this, something else. Okay, so we try to eliminate the value of this x and this 5 and 6. So what we do here is by finding the LCM of the denominator, which is what, 5 and 6. And the LCM of 5 and 6 is what, is 30. So we say that the LCM is simply what, 30. Good. So in this case here now, we multiply all through. Let me write it for you. Multiply all through by the LCM, which is what, 30. So here we now have what? We're now having 2 all over 5 in bracket x minus 2, of course, times 30 minus 1 all over 6, also in bracket x plus 5 times 30 less than or equal to 0 times 30. So I'm able to multiply this. Or true, okay. Now you can look here, this is 30, sorry. So you can see here that 5 can divide 30, which is giving us what? 6. Okay? So at the same thing here, 6 divides itself, and 6 here is giving us what? 5. And of course, 0 times anything is always what? 0. You should know that. Okay, good. So here we can say here 6 times 2 first, then multiply before you open the bracket. Whichever way, or you can as well multiply this first, then you also multiply them again by 6, one by one. So 2 times 6, here we are having what? 12. And of course, 12 times x is giving us 12x. Okay, remember also 12 times minus 2 is giving us minus 24. Remember what I say here? First I say 2 times 6, and that gave us what? 12. If I now say 12 times x, we have 12x, and 12 times 2 is 24. So remember here is minus sign. The same thing there, 5 times x is giving us 5x, and of course, minus times plus is giving us minus. 5 times 5 is giving us 25, less than or equal to 0 times 30 is giving us what? 0. You know, whenever there's negative or positive or positive signs, and there's a bracket, please be careful, because you have to use the sign and multiply the sign inside too. Okay, good. So see what we are having here so far. What do we do? Of course, we try to collect like terms. Here we have here 12x is minus 5 is still minus 5x. Minus 5x is still minus 5x because it has not crossed to the other side. Okay, here is minus 24 minus 25, okay, less than or equal to 0. And of course, 12x minus 5x is giving us what? 7x. Good. And here we now have what? Minus 24 minus 25, that is giving us minus 49. Remember, is less than or equal to 0. We move to this side to continue to find the value of x. Good. So here we are now having here 7x, and of course minus 49. We move to this side, it becomes less than or equal to plus 49. Yes, when we see this sign greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, it's the same thing as equal to. Okay, because students, when they see this, I don't know, they get confused. It's the same thing as if I say here is equal to. Is that okay? So you know that when you have something like this, the next thing we'll do is we divide both sides by the coefficient of that letter, and of course we're dividing both sides by 7 here. all over 7 will cancel out. X is less than or equal to what? 7, because 49 divided by 7 is giving us 7. Are you following? Okay, now remember the question says that after getting the value of x, we have to show it on a number line. So let's draw a number line to show this sign, to show this. So this is our number line here. We can have here this side to be 7 because it's positive 7. Of course, here is what? 0 is 0. So now this simply means what? Of course, 0, 1, 2, depending on the number. But here we are having x is less than or equal to 7. So now when it's less than, it's going to, the arrow will face what? Down, because it's less than, to face down. Can you see that now? But because it's less than or equal to, we shade it. It will be shaded. So you can see now, it will be shaded. Because of this less than or equal to, that is why it's being shaded here. Thank you so much. Don't forget, if you have not subscribed, subscribe and like. Bye.